What's up, everybody? So I've had a few people ask me about my license plate hack, and since this is version 2.1, I figured I'd give a quick video. So, because I got new plates, I've updated this system a little bit, cleaned it up. So basically, I have these plates on here, and this time I used 3M auto tape. The nub is so that when it's on the grill, it doesn't flex. And then you can see the RS5 grill has two pre-made mounting points for the license plate. And behind there, you can kind of see I have magnets, which I'll include a link to or a picture to. Got them from Amazon. They're donut magnets, very strong. And effectively, these mounting points are key cut to exactly replicate the shape and dimension of those two holes. So when I need to use a plate, since I only need it when I park downtown here in Portland, I simply go up to the car, fasten it, and it's on. And it's on, like I could get out of my leaf blower and show, but it is on. And you can see it's nice and flush. And it doesn't rub, it doesn't hit anywhere. Sorry. And the nub, again, if there wasn't a rubber nub in the middle right there, it would flex down. And so then after I've parked and I leave, just grab it, and it's back to that. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know.